Hello guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn 5 to 10k daily using your mobile phone. And there's this particular app that enables you to do all of this thing I'm saying. Right? So if you're in Nigeria and you dey look for way to take dey earn small thing online, I tell you this particular thing I'm about to show you will help you to actualize that. Okay, because most of the time for you to earn money online you gats do something, because sometimes some of una go just dey look for ways to make money online and una no dey know wetin to do. Alright, this one na avenue for you to make money online, because this opportunity is for everyone. Alright, this opportunity is for everyone because Nigeria as it is now is not friendly, and as you if you are there you dey look for way to take earn money online, na the right opportunity for you to implement be this, because virtually everything online these days is one way to make money, because you have to also look out for it. And in this my channel, I dey always dey make research to make sure I teach you the legit ways to make money online. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming to my channel and you just come across my channel for the first time, abeg just like that thumb and please subscribe so that you go dey get quality update in my videos. Alright, so without wasting much time, I will take you through the process and how this particular site work. Alright, so just pay close attention and follow everything I'll be showing you in this video. Now to begin, the name of the site is called Powershop. Right, this is the name of the site. What they do basically here is that they sell electricity, because for those of you that are out there, instead of buying units for your prepaid meter and the rest of them, this particular site they allow you to buy light. Okay, now the good thing about them is that they have two ways. You can buy light for yourself, and you can also sell and earn. This is the good part. You can see where it says sell and earn. Now most of the time if una come this site, wetin una just do na to just come here, choose your location, put your meter number, put the amount and the rest of them, you just buy and you go. But there is another part of this power shop that allows you to earn up to 5k to 5 to 10k every day using this particular site. That is called the merchant. You can see that the merchant site. This merchant site simply means you go partner with power shop. Once you partner with them, they go dey sell give you for a cheaper rate, and you go fit dey come dey sell dey give other person at a affordable rate. For example, if you come here and you register with them as a merchant, dem fit dey give you like, instead of 20,000 naira unit of light, dem fit dey give you for like 17k, 16k. And if you come go sell am give another person, you fit sell am and earn like 3k. Alright, that is how this particular power shop work. Now how do you register? If you come here now, because sometimes some person, once you just come to the site, you just blah blah blah, you just jump go there without going through all the process. So if you want to register on this package now, if you click on claim your merchant account, I'll click on this now. So now you come over to this place. Please and please, this is a legit opportunity, not that you come here and be using fake identity. So if you come here now, you put your name, you put your full name. All right, the way it is in your any of your ID card, you put your full name here. Then if you are also a business owner, your business has a CAC registration, you put your business name there. That is for company, because there are two options. You can use your name to register. You can also use your business name to register if you have a business CAC. Okay, you put it there. Then you come over to this place, put a valid email address, so that whenever they want to send you any information, they can easily reach you via your email. Alright, you put your valid email address. You also put your phone number, that is very active. You put it there. Then you come here. Please pay attention to this part. You choose the type of account. You can see there are two types. They have the individual merchant, that is for your personal name. Then if your business has a company, if you have a company, you can use a company type. Can you see the company? Alright, you select that if you are using that. Then you come to this part and choose, do you intend to have a sub merchant? That is, if your business is so big, you want to also have some sub unit under it, you can click on yes or no. But if you don't have that, just click on no, leave it like that. Then put your address. Alright, put a valid address. Okay, then come to this part. You can see where it says CAC registration number. This is for company. If you have a CAC registration number, alright, if your business is registered, you put it there. You can see that part here, put it there. Then you put a valid address. You can see that a valid address, your home address, you put it there. All right, just fill that part the way it is. Right, your bus stop name, your street name, your anything that will make it easy for them to locate you, just put it there. Then coming to this part, put your date of birth, because this thing I'm showing you is a legit business. All right, it's a legit business because Powershop, they sell electricity to people. So if you are coming to register, make sure you use legit information, because all these things I'm saying, they are going to check it, they are going to scrutinize everything to make sure that you are giving them legit information, okay, so that your account can easily be approved. Right? So once you come over to this part, you choose your date of birth, the date, the month, and the year. You put it there. Then they have different means of identification. So you can see that they have the driver license, they have the national identity card, international passport, and permanent voters card. All of these are easy for you to get. You can use any one. If you have a driver license, use it. If you have an international national identification number, you can use it. International passport, you can use it and submit. So once you choose the one you are using, let's say for example you want to use international passport, you select that and you upload the document. All right, you upload the document. So once you do that, you hit on your submit. Once you submit, it will take them like a day or two to process your information. Once they are able to confirm that all the information you give to them is correct, they will approve your account. All right, they will approve your account and you can start using the platform. Now, how then do you make money with it? All right, because sometimes some of you, you are all they will show you the way. You are also looking for how then they can implement it for you. Now, the part of this powerhouse is that they are not everywhere for now. They are only available in some part of Nigeria. For example, if you come to this part and choose location, this is the part they are in, mostly in the north. You have Abuja, Bauchi, Benue, Gombe, Jigawa, Kano, Kogi, Niger, Nasarawa, Plateau, and Katsina. These are some parts where they are in for now. All right. So what you can do is that there are some of your brethren, your brother, your sister, your friends who reside in this location. And also, there are some of your friends who are on your WhatsApp list who reside in this location. Instead of you to go there and be asking them for urgent 2K, please subscribe for me, please send me data, please do this. You can tell them that you sell power, you sell electricity, so that whenever they want to buy, they can reach out to you, you help them to buy, and you get your commission. It's very, very easy. Start posting this thing on your status. Start telling your friends, your colleagues that you sell electricity. All you need from them is their meter number. If you want to buy for them now, you just need their meter number and their phone number. All right. All of these things, their phone number, you don't even need their name. For example, I want to buy for somebody in Abuja. I will select Abuja. Then I will put if it's prepaid, I select prepaid. Then I will put the meter number, put the WhatsApp number, put the email address, and put the amount. It's very easy. Now, the good thing about this merchant side is that they will send you the money. You will buy for them. For example, if they are buying straight, if you are buying from this part now, if you are buying from this part, they sell at the normal price. But if you are selling as a merchant, you get a commission. All right, you get a commission. For example, 10,000 units of electricity can be sold for you for a rate of 8K. All right, which means that you earn extra 2K. It's very, very easy for you to implement. All you need to do, sign up on this merchant side, then start telling your friends about it, start posting on your status, start broadcasting it, all right, so that two persons, three persons can buy from you today, tomorrow the same thing, because every day we use electricity. So if you are able to implement this, it will go a long way to save you from urgent 2K, urgent 3K, and the rest of them, and you can start making up to 5 or 10K depending on how you are able to implement this. All right, another thing about them is that they also have a mobile app. You can see they have a mobile app. You can go, if you are using Android phone, just go to Play Store and search for Powershop app. Powershop app. Then download it to your phone so that as you are going, you can be doing business on the go. All right, you can be doing business as you are moving from one place to another. All right, hope you enjoyed this particular video I just gave to you. Please, if you have questions, drop on the comment section and I will be glad to respond to it. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so and drop your comments. I'll be glad to respond to you all. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.